The people who are crazy enough to think they can change the world are the ones who do. Steve Jobs wasn't just a man, he was a force of nature. A visionary who transformed technology, creativity, and business. Today, we are diving into the life, leadership, and legacy of Steve Jobs to uncover the lessons that continue to inspire millions. Born in 1955 and adopted into a middle-class family, Jobs' story began in a garage where he co-founded Apple with Steve Wozniak. It wasn't just about building computers, it was about creating tools to empower humanity. In 1984, Jobs introduced the Macintosh, the first personal computer with a graphical user interface. It wasn't just a technical achievement, it was a revolution. For the first time, ordinary people could interact with a computer visually, not just through lines of code. But, like any great story, Jobs faced setbacks. In 1985, he was ousted from Apple, the company he helped build. How did he respond? With resilience and reinvention. Jobs acquired Pixar in 1986 and transformed it into the king of animation. Under his leadership, Pixar created Toy Story, the world's first fully computer-animated feature film. Jobs didn't just change filmmaking, he combined art and technology to craft stories that touched hearts around the globe. In 1997, Steve Jobs returned to a struggling Apple. His first move? Simplify. Jobs slashed unnecessary products and focused on a few key innovations: the iMac, the iPod, and eventually, the iPhone. The iPod wasn't just a music player, it was 1,000 songs in your pocket. The iPhone wasn't just a phone, it redefined communication and computing in one device. The iPad bridged the gap between laptops and smartphones, revolutionizing how we consume content. Jobs didn't just create products, he built ecosystems. Jobs' life was a masterclass in resilience. From being fired to battling cancer, he showed the world that setbacks are temporary and passion is eternal. Jobs knew the importance of teamwork. He surrounded himself with brilliant minds, creating a culture of innovation and excellence. He once said, "Great things in business are never done by one person. They're done by a team of people." Steve Jobs didn't just create products, he reshaped industries. He didn't just inspire a generation, he inspired the world. Steve Jobs' leadership was defined by visionary thinking, relentless pursuit of excellence, and the ability to inspire others to dream bigger. His life and work offer profound lessons for leaders across industries. Think ahead, envision the future, and take bold steps to shape it. Demand excellence, set high standards, and hold yourself and your teams accountable. Foster collaboration, merge creativity and business to create meaningful innovations. Be resilient, treat failures as opportunities for reinvention. Tell powerful stories, use narratives to inspire and connect. Build lasting cultures, empower teams, and create systems that sustain success. As Jobs once said, "We're here to put a dent in the universe. Otherwise, why even be here?" His legacy serves as a powerful reminder that with passion, focus, and courage, leaders can create not only successful companies but also enduring movements that change the world.